Welcome! If you are watching this, you are probably a teacher or an admin desperate to organize how your school reserves or schedules the use of technology devices or labs. I believe I can help you. In the past couple of years, my school has obtained several carts of mobile devices such as MacBooks and iPads, and we knew there had to be a better way to keep up with them all other than a clipboard in the teacher's workroom. If you're in education, you understand that solutions must either be free or cheap and easy for teachers to understand. And I truly believe that Google Calendar fits the bill. Enough talk. Let me show you how we use it at our school, and hopefully you can modify this process for your school. It all starts with making some free Gmail accounts. For my middle school, I made 5 emails, one admin email to set up and run the whole gig, one for each grade level. We have 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, and one for elective teachers that happen to teach several grades. The process of making a Gmail account is easy and free. Just make sure you write down all these emails and passwords. You will need them later. Once you've made all your emails, let's head over to Google Calendar and make sure that you're logged into whatever email you want to be your admin account that runs the whole gig. Now that we are here on Google Calendar, what we're going to do is make a calendar for every device or resource that you want teachers to be able to reserve or schedule. There is more than one way to do this, but we can do it right here by clicking this plus button and then clicking on New Calendar. Go ahead and type in the name of the device, room, or resource. The description is not necessary, but it would be nice to go ahead and tell them what they are reserving. Why you would have a cart of 40 iPads and only 25 headphones. Who knows? Welcome to education. Continue doing this for all of your calendars until you have an entire list of calendars over here that represent all the different things that your teachers can reserve or schedule at your school. Now here's the fun part. Go over here to the settings gear and select settings. We're going to go down here to the bottom left of the screen where it says settings for my calendars, and we're going to select the calendar that I just put there. You'll want to work your way through each of these calendars individually, click them, make sure that all your information is correct, and then scroll down here to where it says share with specific people. And it's already shared to the master email. This is what I have set as our admin email that can make changes to this calendar and manage who it's shared with. We're going to click add people and add access to the other grade levels by typing in those emails that we created earlier. Once you have all the emails that you want to have access to reserve this resource, you want to go to permissions here and make sure that they have permission to make changes to events and press send. We have it set so that these emails cannot manage sharing so that they do not accidentally take away the calendar from the other emails. Only the admin email can be able to make changes and be able to manage who has access to the calendar. You're going to want to repeat this process for every one of your calendars and every one of your resources that you want available to reserve at your school. When adding access to these particular resources, you want to be strategic about which emails you give access to them. For instance, I only allowed 6th grade emails to be able to have access to the carts that are only available to 6th grade, and so forth for 7th grade and 8th grade, while the iPad carts are available to every grade level. I am now logged in as a 6th grade teacher, and they can only see what is available to them to reserve. So they can check their calendar and be able to see by the colors here matching with their labels over here what is available. So if I wanted to, for instance, reserve the library conference room, I could check right here and tell it to only display this, and I can quickly see that the library conference room is not a very popular room to reserve, but if I wanted to reserve it, I could easily click in this blank spot here, and I would put my teacher name so that everyone would know who has it, and then I would tell them what times I need it from. If I need it the entire day, then I would choose the entire time there and press save, and that way everybody would be able to see that this particular teacher has the library conference room blocked out during this time. As an admin, you can be able to see all your calendars in one place and know where they are on any given day. It's a lot easier to see on day view where all your resources are right there in front of you. I hope this video helps you and your school organize the reservation of technology and hopefully keeps you from getting in a fist fight on Monday morning over the computer lab. If you have any questions or need something explained a little bit better, please shoot me a comment in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel. I like to share some of the resources I've learned, and have a great day.